All right, team. A few things to remember about angles. You have a cheat sheet in front of you, or you can pick one up from the sub, but angle properties, have a few of them are here. So corresponding angles are when you have an angle like this and then an angle like this. It requires that you're on a parallel line or a set of parallel lines. So you have two parallel lines, and you can kind of slide this angle. You can see that it's the same as this one here. It kind of slides up this line here. Those two angles are equal to each other. So whatever this one is as well. So if this is 40 degrees, then this one would also be 40 degrees. So you can see those are called corresponding angles. For here, you can see that alternate angles are also equal. So if you have two parallel lines and you have a transversal that cuts through them, this angle and this angle are the same. The same is true for the larger angles when you have two parallel lines here. So this angle here and that angle there, those two angles would be the same as well. From here, co-interior angles add up to 180 degrees. So you can see like this angle here and this angle here would add up. You can also kind of think about that as like if I have corresponding angles, like this angle is the same as this angle, and that would be 50 degrees here. And these two, this angle and this one, this angle and this angle have to add up to 180 because they share the same line. So you can think about it that way as well. So you can see this 70 would be matching to this 70, and therefore this angle must be 110 degrees. From there, we know angles in a triangle add up to 180 degrees. Just a refresher there. Vertically opposite angles are equal to each other. So you can see 105 is equal to 105. Those are vertical angles. And 75 and 75, those are vertical angles. So angles across from each other. Angles around a point add up to 360 degrees. So if they're sharing this point here, if that is 80 and this is 140 and this is 87, then this must be 53 because they need to add up to the 360 just like a circle. And then finally, angles on a straight line need to add up to 180 degrees. So if I know this is 30, then this has to be 150 so that they can add up together to be 180. Those are the rules you're going to use today as you're working through your angle chases. So check them out. Thanks, guys.